We're going to try and get our cars right up next to those and put you on the correct side of the track. Basically, all you need to do is follow me like track fitness, knowing your car will be put in the right place. This is an opportunity for you to see what the car's capable of. So, we'll be theoretically getting up to speeds close to 100.
Nice.
Most people don't get that.
Let's do this. Vámonos, Gio. Carlini. Everybody, let's roll.
I will only drive as fast as the slowest car behind me. So if the second car behind me is slower than the first car behind me, we're going to be going at that speed when we get left. Like you're going to get left than where you are.
Vámonos. Eso es, puñeta.
Your eyes are the most important tool. Remember, look where you want the car to go. Where you look for your hands on the guy's car. We're going to come to a stop in Christmas. 5 seconds. So, first lap is not going to be fast, not moderate. Alright, gentlemen, let's take off. We're going to start off going over to the right side of the track. So we get more going back to the lane down and shoot the same. Okay. We'll go to the left side of the track. Get the orange cone. This is actually the fastest part of the track when we come in. You get that overdrive all the way up. We'll be braking to this corner here a little bit. And stay tight to the right. Up here to the left side of the track. We'll apply a little bit of brakes here. Turn in nice and tight to the right. And look at that big number 3. You'll see an orange cone just in front of it. We're still in the tour goal. This is a very fun form to brake, turning into that orange cone. Stay on the outside. This is where I've been placed in the vehicle. It's right up here about the orange cone. Coming in super tight right. You're trying to make it down, go straight as you can. Good. You're going to see the car's going to increase a little bit in speed. Wow. Out to your left side window, you're going to go to the orange cone. I want you to brake your car all the way back to the left side. Lift a little bit, make the next corner. Good. Nice and tight to the left. Good. Nice and tight to the right. Now we're coming up to the slowest corner of the track. Brakes real heavy. Make it super tight, right? And we just completed one lap. Alright guys, let's kick up that speed here a little bit. The speed on our car, get some overdrive kicking in. Bit of brake, off the brake, turn in nice and tight. Look up to the top of the hill. Brake, a little bit off the brake, turn in. I'll change over to sports mode. Stay nice and tight to the right. Keep going down that hill. The car's going to increase a little bit in speed. Nice and tight to the left. Okay, we're going to slow way down because I don't see our red blue car. Alright, blue car, we're not going that fast. I'm going to just say nerve bother you. Just trying to keep up. We're not going to go much faster than this. If the other cars catch up with us, we will pull over on the side and we'll point on the track and come by. The closer you stay to the car in front of you, the easier it is for you to know where you're going. Be on our brakes, turn in nice and tight. We're going to do one more lap in the sports mode and then we'll switch over to our track mode on the last couple laps. you go, nice and tight to the left. Remember, we're trying to get to the side of the truck where you see the orange cone. On the brake, turn to the right. Alright, squeeze on power. Little light brake. Little light brake turn in. So now we got to put the straightaway change in mode over to the track mode.
Oh, it's track mode now.
Tighten up a little bit more.
I already did it,
The
sorry.
rest is going to feel nicer. Exhaust goes to change. Steering might be a little tighter. You'll feel it. Got that right window come in nice and tight. Here you go. Good job. Good job right behind me.
Oh, come on, let's go faster. There we go.
And be on the brake. Left, right, turn left.
I was born for this. This is what I'm supposed to do with
Yeah,
my
this
life.
is pretty much a straight line. Don't be afraid to throw that thing in overdrive.
Let's roll! Whoa!
A little bit of brake.
We lost the blue car again. Golly. That guy's too slow. Yeah.
One lap in track mode.
Yes, sir. Wow. This is amazing.
So, guys, when we come around this corner, I'll put my flash on this following me, blue car, follow me, black car, follow me. The electric cars behind us pass us. So let's come over here, we're going to actually come to almost a stop. So the guys are going to go around us. Okay, guys, let's get back on it. Go, 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 go.
Darian, ito tayo nga!
Alright, gentlemen, we'll put that back in touring mode on his left. Back in touring mode, that's 2 clicks to the left.
Holy cow, it's not the same. Tour mode? Tour mode sucks. I hate tour mode. I'm all over the place in tour mode.
Nice and tight to the right, guys. We got a few more corners to make it, and we'll be going into pit lane. Alright, so we have to come around this next corner, get on the pit lane to the left.
Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Jessica! This is awesome.
So we're gonna be parking our sign spot to try to get as close as we can to me. Alright, Jimmy, please leave the cars running. This was in park, please. Make sure it's in park. Get out.
Come on!